In this tutorial, I will come up with two special kinds of logs that might come up. The first one is called the common log. There is a special notation, log of x, so you might notice that there is no base. So that means by definition, by default, it's the log to the base 10. So anytime when you come across the log written without base, it's implied, it's understood the base to be 10. So why it's a common log? Because it comes out a lot in applications of math, in science, in physics, chemistry, and also in math. Also, your calculator has a special button for this common logarithm. So if you grab your calculator, you might find this button. So again, it's log of x. There is no base written explicitly. Perfect. The second one is called the natural logarithm, and the standard notation for natural logarithm is just ln of x. By definition, it's the log to another special base, which is e. And if you are wondering what is the e, it's a special number, it's a constant in maths. It's like a pi. So it's an infinite decimal and it's approximately roughly equal to 2.71828. So it's another special log. There are some problems to carry out. Perfect.